If you need a free VPN connection on Windows 10, you can set one up without downloading third-party applications or bloatware. This setup uses the network tools already built into your operating system, paired with an open, public data resource. You will learn to configure, authenticate the connection details, and verify a hidden connection straight from your desktop. Using these native tools allows you to manage your network footprint directly, keeping you independent from external corporate software. Step 1 is navigating to your settings. Click your Windows Start icon, select the Settings gear, and go to the Network and Internet menu. From the sidebar, click VPN. In the Advanced Options menu, make sure to toggle on Allow VPN over metered networks and Allow VPN while roaming. This ensures your tunnel remains active even if your network environment shifts. Now we need the server data. Open your browser and head to VPNBook.com. You need to select the free PPTP VPN tab. To ensure that this specific setup works, avoid the Open VPN tab. You will see a list of server options. To reduce the distance your data travels, choose a server address located in a country physically closest to you. Copy your chosen server address. Keep this web page open as you will need to retrieve the authentication credentials from it later. The server address and protocol type provide the precise necessary coordinates to bridge the connection directly to your operating system. With the address copied, switch to your Windows VPN interface and click Add a VPN connection. In the Profile window, set the VPN provider to Windows Built-in and name your connection VPNBook. Paste the copied server address into the Server Name or Address field. Under VPN type, select Point-to-Point Tunneling Protocol, or PPTP. For sign-in info, select Username and Password, but leave the fields blank for now. Hit Save. Your custom profile will now appear in your Windows network list. To start the connection, click the profile and press the Connect button. The architecture of the tunnel is ready. Now you just need to enter the active credentials to establish the uplink. Windows will prompt you for a login. Return to the VPNBook webpage to find the active username and password next to your server. The site password changes frequently for maintenance. You must read it directly from the live webpage rather than using any password shown here. Type the current credentials into the Windows prompt and hit OK. Once accepted, the connection status will change to Connected. To confirm the connection is active, go to an IP checking site like whatismyip.org. Verify that the displayed IP address and hostname match the foreign VPN server. This confirms the tunnel is masking your local internet service provider. With the verification complete, your digital footprint is now rerouted through the remote server. You are now browsing through your configured tunnel. If you need to inspect the protocol properties later, you can find them under Change Adapter Options. Maintaining a clean system also requires knowing how to remove these connections when they are no longer needed. To delete the profile, return to the VPN settings, click Disconnect, and then select Remove. Managing your own VPN profiles allows you to establish and erase tunnels on command, returning the operating system to its default state in seconds.